Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Nothing Phone One Smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can insert SIM cards in your phone Nothing Phone One. First of all, go to the bottom side of your phone and see here a hole. In this hole, you go to insert SIM ejector tool. This is SIM ejector tool. Just you go to insert the SIM ejector tool here. Insert and push down into the hole. The SIM tray will be coming out from your phone. Just take it out from your phone. Now keep your phone aside. Here you are seeing two slots. In the front side you will have one slot. In the back side you will have another slot. You can insert two SIM cards in this tray. First, insert one SIM card in the first slot here and flip the tray and insert another SIM card. Bring SIM card and insert in this position. Now hold tight. Bring your phone. Bring your phone and insert the tray into your phone here. Now check for the SIM card detection. Yes, they are scanning here and they are showing. So in this way, you can easily insert SIM cards in your phone, Nothing Phone One. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.